So now that you've actually created your very first Zap, yes, it doesn't do anything yet, but in the further training we're going to get to make it actually do anything. Now that you've created your very first Zap, you need to actually install the Magic Zap script on your website. All right. So for these demos, we are going to use ClickFunnels, and you can use whatever you want. If you want, I'm going to use ClickFunnels because I like to use ClickFunnels because I just make a lot of money from ClickFunnels. So I'm going to use ClickFunnels. All right. You can use whatever you want. You want to use WordPress, Instapages. I don't care what you want, what you use, Builderall, anything that you want to use, you use whatever you want to use. All right. So we are going to use ClickFunnels because mostly we have a crush on Russell Brunson. That's why we're using ClickFunnels, because I got a crush, a little boy crush on Russell Brunson. I'm just going to set up a basic funnel, new live demo for Magic Zap. This is going to be a really stupid funnel. Really basic, really stupid funnel. All right, but I'm gonna get it all created here. All right, great, it's created. I'm gonna pick some little basic opt-in page here. Hopefully, if I can find one real quick, a really basic opt-in page. Whatever, a little basic opt-in page, the most basic of the basics. There's the very basic ones. Come on, give me a basic one. Here we go. Here's a basic one right here. All right, so I got a basic opt-in page. I'm gonna create me a basic little thank you page, and then we're going to install our script, our Magic Zap script. All right. So let's have a nice little thank you page, something that says thank you very much. Well, your thank you page, if you want your thank you page to say fuck you, you can make it say that if you want, but hopefully the only reason I would recommend having a thank you page that says fuck you is if you want to polarize your audience. So if you don't want to polarize your audience, maybe not do that. All right, so now we've got a little landing page set up. We got a little website set up. Hopefully you guys have that done already. If not, well, guess what? There's a free training. I just showed you how to create basic little landing pages in ClickFunnels. All right, so in ClickFunnels, what you want to do if you're using ClickFunnels, all right, what you're going to want to do is go to your settings. If you're not using ClickFunnels, then that's totally fine. You don't have to use ClickFunnels. What you want to do is you want to come to that Zap that you created. You want to click this copy button right here. That's going to copy your Magic Zap script. If you look and see, there's your Magic Zap script. You're going to copy your Magic Zap script, and whatever landing page builder that you're using or whatever website builder that you're using, you're going to figure out how do you put a code in the footer of that website. All right. For me, I'm going to use ClickFunnels because, like I said, I have a little boy crush on Russell Brunson, so I'm using ClickFunnels. If you guys are using WordPress or Instapages or whatever you're using, you just need to make sure that you actually install the script in the footer of the website. That means in the bottom of the website, all right? Just like I did, I just installed this in the footer, all right? It's installed in the footer, all right? So I'm going to install that in the footer, and then I'm just going to hit save and update my settings, all right? And remember, like I said, I like to use ClickFunnels because I got a little boy crush on Russell Brunson, not because it's the best software in the world. Because it's ClickFunnels, you probably need to go save and update settings like 2 or 3 times because sometimes it just doesn't work. All right, so that's what I do. I'm just going to go save it 2 or 3 times. And then as soon as you get your script installed, what you need to do is you just actually need to verify that the Magic Zap script is indeed installed on your website. If it's not installed, well, most likely isn't going to work. All right. So we're going to look at our page source. You can just do that by right clicking and then click the thing that says view page source. Come over here, click Control F. That opens up a little search box, and then you can just type in a Magic Zap. All right. Now I can see that there is my script. My script is actually installed on my website. It's right there. All right. So now my script, my Magic Zap script, is actually installed on my site. And that's it. Now your script is installed on your site. So that part is done. So we'll move on to the very next thing.